A new jobs report from the Department of Labor shows that more than 500,000 jobs were added in just the last month, and the unemployment rate dropped to 3.4%. ABC's Rena Roy has the latest on the unexpected numbers.
Record-breaking numbers on the economy from the Department of Labor. 517,000 jobs created in January. The unemployment rate down to 3.4%, the lowest since 1969.
Here's where we stand. The strongest job growth in history, the lowest unemployment rate in 54 years.
President Biden touting the numbers, saying his administration's economic plan is working.
We have created more jobs in 2 years than any presidential term, than any time in 2 years. That's the strongest 2 years of job growth in history by a long shot.
New jobs seen in areas like leisure and hospitality, professional and business services, and healthcare. Wages up 0.3%, about as much as economists expected, which means there's no alarming news for inflation. But rapidly rising wages can mean more inflation in the future.
Even though inflation is showing signs of cooling, we did see wage growth also slow year over year, basically stayed the same at 4.4%, and we know that inflation is much higher than that, so no, it's not keeping up.
Despite fears of a recession, the job market showing no signs of cooling down.
We are still seeing so many jobs being added month after month, even though we are seeing some layoff announcements pile up. What this is telling us is that the job market remains strong. Demand for workers remains very tight.
Economists are waiting to see how the Federal Reserve reacts to this. The next important number comes out on Valentine's Day, when we are expecting to get the latest inflation report.